Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So on the Bitcoin chart, we're talking only about the 30-minute chart in this video. In the last video, and you might want to check that out, I talked about the daily chart as well. In this video, I think the focus is currently on the current green candle that we've seen today, which is not it's not it's not surprising. Not surprising given that we're still holding above support. Okay, I added in the previous video really a micro support area that we can use to continue to, let's say, grind higher with the trend. And as long as this one is holding, Bitcoin could go to all-time highs from here. I want to discuss that with you. What I will do, I will take out the micro count for the blue structure. I want to keep it as clean as possible. At least here the 5 waves in the C wave. It is possible still that this is a C wave of wave B in the blue count, absolutely. Just note that we could at any point, if we break the support levels I'm providing, dip back into the lower support. So this here is upper support, upper micro support, call it upper support, at 69,171. And this needs to hold to maintain upside pressure as per the yellow count, which could take us to 76.5K next, as per previous videos in the last few days. And obviously it's possible that this is not going to play out, that we don't get the yellow rally higher. But the yellow rally, or the rally in the yellow count, suggests a rally towards, just think about something. It allows for a rally towards 76.5K. Okay, but if that, it needs to be supported by the orange upper support area. So if we break below that, and I will only focus on that blue count, if we break below 69,170, well, then we're likely going to test probably the area here around 67,167 to 65,755, the upper half of the lower support region. But for now, there is absolutely no sign that we are breaking down. We're not even close to that 78.6 retracement. Therefore, I maintain an upside focus, as I did over the last few weeks, okay? With good reason, because I want, that's why we're tracking support. At some point, these structures will break, but if we don't even have a break of support, I mean, we follow the trend. That's, how it normally works. But it is worth being on the side of caution in this particular area, because this is an ideal target zone here for the blue B wave. It's between round about 71K and 72.6K. Already, because we've broken above 71K, the yellow count gets more probable. But I discussed all that yesterday, why that is and everything. So it's just, it is what it is. The blue count B wave could easily stretch a little higher, can even overshoot. It's not broken above the 3rd wave high from the 21st of May, but we see a lot of upside pressure right now. And it is a real opportunity for Bitcoin to rally to a new all-time high from here. Why? Well, because in the yellow count, as you know, we talked about this triangle A, B, C, D, E. I highlighted to you, if the triangle is broken to the upside in this case, which is the expected direction for the triangle breakout, it would be a swift move. And I received a few questions about this structure here. So, I mean, my view is that the move up from the 1st of May low is a diagonal pattern, which means the wave 1 is an ABC structure, the wave 3 is an ABC, and the wave 5 should also be an ABC structure. So it would be A wave, possibly bottomed already in B, and we're now rallying in C. But I could be wrong about that. And I told you that the yellow count is a bit ambiguous. And therefore, it's possible that it's not an A, B, C, but instead a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 4, 5 just shows you the extension. That's pretty much it. What am I watching for now? So I would say support stays where it is for now. I would like to keep that where it is for now. But the absolute nearest support is this today's intraday low. It might be that this was a B wave low. If that was a B wave low, then the wave C can send us to an all-time high from here. Okay, I did post that earlier today on Discord already. Why could it send us to an all-time high? Well, because the upside target for wave C is basically 73,933. No, sorry, it's 73,246. That's where it starts. So that's not, I think, not exactly all-time high, is it? No, but there are further levels, like, for example, 73,933, 74,355. So this is sort of an ideal target range for a C wave. If we go higher than that, it's likely the third wave. Okay, so we stretch higher. Focus can be on higher against today's low. I can tell you that a break below today's low would still allow for a test of upper support, but below that, we're going to drop back into lower support. But for now, I maintain the focus on the upside. Looks good. Next upside target should be clear. And I just want to emphasize again, it could take us to an all-time high from here. Bigger picture, next larger degree fib points actually to 76.5K. So maybe we get there. And even larger degree, but we talked about that on the daily time frame, 85K. So these are sort of the next milestones. Hope that helps. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.